Hey guys, this is Teddy from NorthFire. Today we're cooking on the Inferno Infrared Grill, making Asian steak bites.
For this recipe you'll need sesame seeds, Thai chili sauce, sesame oil, honey, 1.5 pounds of flank steak, soy sauce, sriracha garlic chili sauce, white sugar, and mayo. Cut your steak into 1.5-inch cubes and add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of Thai chili sauce, and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Mix well and marinate for at least 20 minutes. While you wait, make the dipping sauce with 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of sriracha chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and the juice of 1 large lime. Mix well and set aside. To cook up your steak, add a few cubes of butter to the food tray and melt for approximately 30 seconds. Add your steak cubes to the tray. And slide into the third rack, cooking for about 2 minutes. Give the meat a good toss, moving the back pieces to the front. And cook for an additional minute. Sprinkle these little gems with sesame seeds and serve with the spicy dipping sauce. It's as easy as that. Please follow our channel at NorthFire Ltd for more recipes and check out northfire.com to learn more about the Inferno Infrared Grill.